Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Coder. Today we are going to write a C program to print even and odd numbers. So basically what are even numbers? So even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So what we are going to do is we are going to take a number from user and we are going to print even numbers and odd numbers till that number. So let's move to writing the code. So I'm basically using an online compiler. So first we will be initializing a variable that is int n, then printf, enter a positive number, then scanf %d for integer and %n. Using printf and scanf, we have taken a number input from user and we have initialized it to n. So now we will be using for loop to print even numbers and odd numbers. So first off, we will write printf uh, even numbers are \n and then for loop int I is equal to 1, I is smaller than equal to n, then I plus plus. Here we will be using if condition. If I modulo 2 is equal to 0, then printf %d comma I, and now we will do the same for odd numbers. So printf odd numbers are \n for new line, and again for loop int I is equal to 1, I is smaller than equal to n, and I plus plus. Then in for loop, here again we will be using if condition. If I modulo 2 is not equal to 0, then printf percent d comma I. Here we will be using \n for new line, and here too \n. So our code is completed. So let's run and see for the outputs. Oh, semicolon. Enter a positive number 10. So even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So our code is working properly and it is showing the correct output. So let's understand the background of the code. So what we have done, we have taken a number input from user and initialized the value to n, and we have printed the statement even numbers are, and then we have started the for loop. In for loop we have initialized I is equal to 1 and I is smaller than equal to n, so that the and I plus plus, so the loop will run till the value of n, that is here it is 10. So let's take the example. So I is equal to 1, 1 is smaller than 10, yes, condition is satisfied. We will move inside the loop and we will check if I, here the value of I is 1. 1 modulo 2 is equal to 0, no. Modulo operator checks for remainder, so the remainder is 0, no. So we will move to the updation stage, that is I plus plus. So we will check for then for 2, and now the I will be incremented to 2. So 2 is smaller than or equal to 10. Yes, condition satisfied. We will move inside the loop, and we will check for if condition. If 2 modulo 2 is equal to 0, yes. So condition is satisfied. We will move inside the if condition, that is printf, and we will print the value of I, that is 2. So this process will continue for all the even numbers. And for the odd numbers, the same thing will happen. It will print the odd numbers are, and then it will move inside the loop. Here we have initialized I is equal to 1, and I is smaller than equal to n. Here n is 10. So, so for example, 1 is smaller than equal to 10. Yes, condition satisfied. We will move inside the loop. So 1 modulo 2 is not equal to 0. So condition is true, because 1 divided by 2, the remainder is not equal to 0. So the condition is satisfied. We will move inside the if condition. We will print the value of I, that is 1. So now again for the it will move to I plus plus, and the value of 1 I will be incremented by 1, that will be 2. So 2 is smaller than equal to 10, yeah, and that is 10. Yes, the condition is satisfied. We will move inside the if for loop, and we will check for the if condition. So 2 modulo 2 is not equal to 0, no, because 2 is divisible by 2, and so the remainder is 0. So the if condition is not satisfied. We will move to the I plus plus, that is updation stage, and now I will be equal to 3. So 3 is smaller than equal to n, that is 10. Yes, condition satisfied. We will move inside the if loop, and here we will check if for the if condition. So I is 3. 3 modulo 2 is not equal to 0. Yes, condition satisfied, because 3 is not divisible by 2, hence the remainder is not equal to 0. So we will print the value of I, that is 3. And this will continue for the odd numbers also. So this is the code, and it's working, how it will produce the output for even numbers and odd numbers. So if you have any query regarding this program, you can write in the comment section. If you want me to implement some of your own problem statements or C programs, you can also write them in the comment section. If you want me to make videos in regional languages such as Hindi or Marathi, you can also write them in the comment section. So thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and let's grow together.